Hello students, how are you today? Fine? Very good. I'm fine too. We start with your second virtual English class. In this class, I'm going to introduce the Vocabulary 1 Unit 7. Please guys, repeat after me. Eyes. Touch your eyes. Nose. Touch your nose. Mouth. Show me your mouth. Ears. Move your ears. Hair. Show me your hair. Fingers. Move your fingers. Teeth. Show me your teeth. Dizzy. Move your head and say, I'm this. And the last, buzz. This is your vocabulary 1, guys. So, guys, can you help me identify the parts of the face in this picture? Yes? I don't listen to you. Okay, let's start. Please help me to find the nose. Where is the nose? Excellent, guys. Very good. Please help me to find the mouth. Where is the mouth? Wow, guys. It's correct. Now, help me to find the hair. Where is the hair? Excellent, guys. And the last, guys, please help me to find the ears. Where are the ears? Do you see? Yes, very good. Congratulations, guys. You are very intelligent. You win a big star. So, let's continue with your exercise for today. This is your exercise 1. In this exercise, you have 2 activities. In number 1, you match the words to the picture. In number 2, draw your face and connect the words to the picture. Yes, guys? It's easy, yes? Guys, don't forget to write the long day. Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. The challenge. I stay at home with my family. And the handwriting. Eyes, nose, ears, hair, mouth. Remember, your handwriting is with different colors. Guys, what do you believe? The class is over. Please Print and solve your exercise, then paste in your notebook. Thank you, guys. See you. Have a nice day. Remember to wash your hands all time. And if you have questions, send me an email. I'm going to say you a big kiss. See you. Bye-bye.